We all want to make our lives better, but sometimes the path to doing so feels overwhelming. But what if I told you that the power to change your life is already within you? It starts with a simple decision. The decision to take control, to be the architect of your own life, and to stop waiting for someone else to make things better for you. The first step to making your life better is to believe that you can. You must have faith in your own ability to shape your destiny. It's easy to get caught up in negativity, to listen to the voices that tell you that you're not good enough, smart enough, or strong enough. But those voices are wrong. You are enough. You have the power to change your circumstances, no matter how difficult they might seem. Making your life better doesn't require grand gestures. It's about small, consistent actions that align with your goals and values. Start by identifying what truly matters to you. What makes you happy? What brings you peace? Focus on those things. Cut out the noise, the distractions, and the things that drain your energy. Your time and energy are your most valuable resources. Don't waste them on things that don't serve you. It's important to remember that you are the most important person in your life. That might sound selfish, but it's true. If you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to take care of anyone else. Prioritize your health, both mental and physical. Eat well, exercise, get enough sleep, and take time to relax and recharge. When you feel good, you're more equipped to handle whatever life throws at you. But making life better for yourself isn't just about focusing inward. It's also about your relationships with others. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who inspire you to be better, who believe in your potential. Cut ties with those who bring you down, who drain your energy, or who don't have your best interests at heart. Life is too short to spend it with people who don't make you feel good about yourself. Another key to making life better is to embrace change. Life is constantly evolving, and you need to be willing to adapt. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone, to try new things, and to take risks. Growth happens when you challenge yourself, when you push past your fears and limitations. Don't let fear hold you back from living the life you want. It's also important to practice gratitude. Take time every day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It's easy to focus on what's wrong in your life, but there's always something to be thankful for, no matter how small. Gratitude shifts your mindset from a place of lack to a place of abundance. It reminds you of all the good things in your life, and that positivity can create a ripple effect, making your life better in ways you might not even expect. Lastly, remember that making life better for yourself is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth, learning, and self-improvement. There will be ups and downs, but every step you take brings you closer to the life you want. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. They're a natural part of the process. Instead, use them as opportunities to learn and grow. In the end, making your life better is about taking responsibility for your happiness, health, and well-being. It's about making choices that align with your values and goals, and about being willing to change when necessary. You have the power to create a better life for yourself. All it takes is the decision to do so and the courage to follow through. So take that first step today. Start making your life better, one small action at a time. And remember, you are worth it. You deserve a life that makes you happy, fulfilled, and proud. And as you continue on this journey, don't forget to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every step forward is a victory. Every challenge you overcome makes you stronger, more resilient, and more capable of handling whatever comes next. Keep moving forward with confidence and determination, knowing that you are creating a life that reflects your true self. A life full of purpose, joy, and fulfillment. So keep believing in yourself, keep pushing through the obstacles, and keep striving to make your life better every single day. Your best days are ahead of you. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and never underestimate the power you have to transform your life. You are the author of your story. Make it a story worth telling.